I welcome you all to Dasunnex art and tutorial. Here I teach and explain how to create stunning pastel painting. If it's your first time coming across this channel or page, subscribe and stay tuned for amazing art tips, how to perfect your drawing using pastel method. Wow, some of the upcoming artists have been coming to my DM asking me how do I use to create those tiny lines in between eyes and this thing. So if you can watch here, that is what I'm trying to do. After I use a sharp pencil, get the lines up, then use my hand to blend it as you saw it there. It to me it's very simple. In between the nose and in the holes inside the nose. It's only my finger that I use to create those lines. Yeah, as you can see here in the pencil, after getting the shade and a dark little bit is shading it, then I use my finger to the last one to blend it smoothly and get those sharp lines as you can see there. If you watch this video till this time, do well to subscribe or follow and tag your friend or anybody that have interest in learning pastel painting that are struggling. You can share, then invite them to follow or subscribe to my channel for more art tips and to perfect your drawing and take your pastel to the next level. If you're still with me, give me a thumbnail, a thumbs out, comment, tell me what you think of the drawing. Help me to improve and help me share more. So drawing picture like this was really amazing. Took my time. So it always took me 120 hours to complete it. It was a gradual process after laying all the colors through the reference picture. Then I graduate to the light dark side of it, blending all the colors and getting the tone, the skin tone. Now move to the clothes side. After I'm done with the face, after I finish getting the face and everything is okay, and I move to the clothes as you can see it. Now just trying to differentiate between the skin and the clothes. So if you're having challenge with pastel, for me it took me a while when I was coming up. I keep practicing. So my advice to you is keep creating, keep pushing boundaries every day. Every day try to get something, try to learn something. You can go through some professional artists. One of the mistakes some of us had then was like we didn't really have professional to guide us and the right